The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 13. The Bhagavan then repeated the meaning of this in verse. There is no form inside the mind. Form is nourished by the mind. Body, possessions, the world, and beings, from repository consciousness, all appear. The mind, will, and consciousness, the five dharmas and modes of reality, the purification of two kinds of no-self, these are taught by those who teach. Long and short, is and isn't, from each in turn the other arises. Because one isn't, the other is. Because one is, the other isn't. Analyzing something into dust doesn't yield the idea of its form, but saying it is nothing but mind doesn't please deluded people. This isn't a realm for philosophers, nor is it for Shravakas. The teaching of those who would save the world is the realm of self-realization.